Save nature. Nature is the basis of our life. It takes care of our health and prosperity. Protecting nature is an important task in which we all must participate. Nature faces emergency situations that disturb the environmental balance, such as deforestation and climate change, etc. We have to change our lifestyle to save nature. We should protect trees and plants, conserve wildlife, and make proper use of natural resources. Apart from these, we have to take many steps like water conservation, reducing air pollution, and reducing the use of plastic. Protecting nature is important for our future. This ensures a better and healthy environment for our future generation. We all have to work together so that we can ensure a healthy and safe future. Therefore, we should contribute meaningfully to protect nature. Thanks for watching. Best of luck.